guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat here on YouTube. If you're new here, hi, this is Brains and the Beat. This is my channel where I give you all the latest news and reviews and everything that has to be going on with the Caribbean and Jamaica and all of that. So if you like those things, like, comment, share, subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So as you guys know, Montego Bay last year was one of the worst parishes as far as murder rate is concerned. They did a state of emergency in the beginning of the year because it was going on that same track, that same path. And if you guys didn't know, we had 1,116 murders in Jamaica. And that's why they did the state of emergency. But Montego Bay has come to a 69% murder reduction from the time that they started the state of emergency to now. And recently, two JDF members got shot. People were alleging that was because they were sleeping with the members of, or the women of the community. And the bad man them don't like that. And they claim that they're making sure they're going to flush out the criminals from out those communities because one of their own got shot. I digress. But now a decomposing body have been found in the middle of Montego Bay. The middle of precious Montego Bay, where them hold to such high standard, where they make sure clean and they make sure they have the best roads and they make sure they have the best of everything, because that's all them care about is tourists, because of tourist area. But let's talk about this decomposing body that they found in the middle of Montego Bay, which they say has a 69% murder rate reduction. Detectives from the St. James Police Division are probing the circumstances surrounding the death of an unidentified male whose partially decomposed body was found on Park Avenue in the heart of Montego Bay, St. James, on Wednesday, October 10th. The body is of dark complexion and was clad in a blue shirt and gray pants. He is about 157 centimeters, 5 feet 2 inches long. Reports are that Bernard Street Police are that about 7 a.m. passerby stumbled upon the body and alerted them. On the arrival of the police, the body was seen in a state of decomposition. Sources on the ground have suggested that the body may have Sources on the street suggest that the body may have been a street person. The scene was processed and the body removed to the morgue for post-mortem examination. The police are asking anyone with information that can assist them in their investigation or to identify the body to contact the Montego Bay Criminal Investigation Branch, CIB, at 876-953-6119. The police is 119 emergency number or the nearest police station. So them find a body in the middle of Montego Bay, the middle of it, and they claim it's somebody that's a street person. I highly doubt that. I think that these criminals are showing their true colors. They're sending a message to not only Jamaican government but also the JDF and JCF that is stationed in Montego Bay, and they're saying that we soon start again. We give you no time, with a breeze out. We soon left, we soon left Montego Bay. So once we left, the crime will skyrocket again. I think this is a show to show the JCF and JDF who's running things in Montego Bay and in St. James, because people who live in that particular place or those places that have state of emergency or zone of special operations have told me and my husband that there is no state of emergency or zone of special operations in Montego Bay, not anymore, because the JCF and JDF are going to the bar, drinking with the community women and men. They're talking, they're having sexual relationships with them. Most of the time when they're supposed to be doing stop checks, they're in their police vehicle sleeping or talking, and they're not doing anything to prevent murders. So this right here is a great example to show you that they're not doing anything, because if they were doing something, they would have actually known who killed this person. But I digress. Comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this story. Do you think that the criminals are telling them or giving them a warning that they're coming back, and they're coming back in full force? Or do you think it's just with some random street person that they left their decomposing body in the middle? Not a corner, not a side, not in the bush, in the middle of Montego Bay Square. Do you think it's a message? Do you think that the murder rate is about to skyrocket as soon as the JDF, JCF, the Zone of Special Operation and State of Emergency end in Montego Bay? Comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm a party here, man. Deuces.